Hey guys, welcome back to groovyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to type fractions in Word. When it comes to a word and using special characters or fractions or equations, you would think you would need Excel or Google Sheets to help with that. Well, actually, you'd be wrong. You can actually type fractions in Word easily without any other software required. So, there are a couple of ways you can do it, from using Word's auto-formatting to inserting special characters, and here I'll show you how to do that. First, with how to use auto-formatting. So, what you can do is just go ahead and click on your Word document, type the fraction you want. So I'll do 1/2. Then I'm going to hit my space bar. There you go. So that's your first fraction right there. If the fraction doesn't change automatically, you'll need to customize your auto formatting or autocorrect dictionary to match the fraction you type to the special character or the fraction it represents. So when it comes to using special characters to insert fractions, to insert a special character in Microsoft Word, make sure that you're in your Word document. Then go to the Insert tab. Then in the Insert tab, go to the Symbol button. Then we want to click on More Symbols. And here, make sure you're under the subset Number Forms. And here you have a number of fractions you can choose from. I'll choose 3/5. Then I'll select Insert. And as you can see, we have our fraction inserted. And then just repeat this process for any additional fraction symbols, making sure to move your blinker cursor to a new position before you begin. And then if you guys do prefer, you can also type and copy special characters in Windows 11 and insert them into your document directly. And that's basically it, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.